Welcome to Coinomi. Setting up a new Coinomi wallet couldn't be easier. After installing the app, select Fast Wallet Creation. Select the coins you want to start using right away. You can use the search button at the top to find coins more easily. When you're done, press the plus button. That's it. You already have a fully operational wallet. As soon as it's convenient, you should properly back up the wallet. Press the light blue bar at the top to start. Confirm that you want to show your recovery phrase to display it. This phrase is the most important thing about the wallet. It grants full access to all coins and will restore wallets even in the case of a lost device. Remember, never share your phrase with anybody. To back it up, write it down on paper or durable material and keep it in a secure place. When you're done writing, select the checkbox at the bottom, then continue to the next screen. To double check that your backup is correct, select all of the words in the same order as shown previously. If everything is correct, you will be able to move on to the final step. Here, you can set how to protect the wallet from unauthorized use. You can set from a super secure password and biometric authentication to a super quick single press authentication. For the purpose of this video, we will use this option. Now that your wallets are backed up and secured, let's start using them. Tap one of the coins to open its wallet. This screen shows your balance for that coin and the transaction history. The receive screen will show you an address where you can receive that coin. Any coins sent to that address will appear in your wallet immediately. Always use the dedicated share and copy buttons to share your address with others. Here we have just received some Dogecoin. Soon enough, the transaction will confirm and count towards your balance. If you return to the overview, you can see the total dollar equivalent balance at the top and the balance for each individual coin. To send out coins, open the wallet of the coin and then go to the send section. Here, you can paste or scan the destination address and choose how much you want to send. We'll use the max button to send all available funds. Press continue to review the transaction. Double check that the destination address is correct and the fees are appropriate. Press confirm and authenticate to finalize and send the transaction. Your transaction will appear in your transaction history immediately, and soon it will be confirmed on the blockchain. From the overview, you can always add more coins if needed. Press the plus button and then add coins. Select any coins you want to add and confirm again with the plus button, like before. The coins will be added to your overview and you can start using them immediately. To hide coins from the overview, tap and hold to select them, then press the trash icon at the top to hide the ones selected. Hidden wallets can always be re-added back. Now you know all that is needed for the basic use of the wallet.